Al-Ghaffar, the forgiver. If you recite this name of Allah 100 times after Jummah Salah, you will soon begin to perceive Allah's forgiveness. If you say, Ya Ghaffaru Firli, daily after Asr Salah, Allah will include you amongst those whom He has forgiven, inshallah. Al-Qahhar, the subduer. If you recite this name of Allah continually, Allah will free you from the love of this world, and instead, Allah's love will become inborn in your heart, inshallah. Al-Wahhab, the bestower. If a poverty-stricken person recites this name of Allah continuously, or writes it and keeps it on him, or recites this name of Allah 40 times in the last sajda of Salatul Duha, Allah will free him from poverty in an unexpected and amazing manner, inshallah. For a particular need to be fulfilled, observe sajda 3 times in the comfy yard of the house or masjid. Then lift your hands as in dua and recite this name of Allah 100 times. Allah will fulfill your need, inshallah. If you have problem of heart waves or any eye problem, reciting Al-Wahhab many times, inshallah will get cured.